Hey, I'm Michael. I'm one of the new owners of this channel. Thank you, Nina. And I know how much you guys really enjoyed watching her adventures around the world. And so did I. We really enjoyed her videos. And so I just want to join you all in wishing her well in her new adventures and the new joys and fun that you'll be having, Nina. Good luck to you. Again, I'm Michael, and I'm part of like a traveling family in a way. I've personally been traveling around the world for the past 10 years. Um, uh, been at Colombia, Thailand, India, Australia, Guatemala, just to name some of the places. And now my parents are retired and they've been inspired by my travels and want to start traveling too. And so we're going to be recording these videos of our travels and we're excited to share them with you. And so you're probably wondering, how is this channel going to be changing? And so we can't possibly reproduce what Nina has done. It's very much her, very unique to her personality. And so we're going to be going more for a more relaxed approach. We're going to be doing something called walking tours. And so instead of speaking in front of the camera, like I'm doing right now, we're going to be facing the camera outwards like this and letting the sights and the sounds kind of bring you into the experience and let the sights and the sounds tell the story to you instead. So to better represent the new direction of this channel, we're actually going to change the name to Relax and Explore, because we feel like that really perfectly represents the new direction and the new style of our videos. And although we have these new adventures coming, we have some and most of Nina's old videos still live, so you can go back and enjoy watching those again. We share the love that you have for travel, and we hope you join us for all of our adventures. We hope that you find our videos both relaxing and entertaining. And although we do plan each one out, we never know what's going to happen. And so we found so far there's always fun surprises that happen along the way. We hope that you will give us a chance and watch some of our videos. We think you will enjoy. Ooh, look. Oh, you see the bee? Oh God, that's a surprise. There's one of those surprises. But we think that you're going to enjoy these videos just as much as we enjoy making them.
pick it up with my pulley.
You're doing all my exercise.
I'm working on it. No, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to start walking once I scoop it up a little bit. Yeah. I got the rockets are going on like in my hand. Do they know it's for?